I'm in the Nujiang Valley of Yunnan in China. This is an ethnically Tibetan area and with a few Nu people. And behind me is the Catholic Church of Baihanluo, formerly known as Bahang. Now, it was set up by French missionaries in the late 19th century by Pere Jules Dubernard, who was setting up a few churches in this area and was very successful. And I came here 20 years ago and it was quite a decrepit, falling down place. But I'll give you a look inside now because it's been restored and it's really worth seeing inside. Today is Easter Monday. It was very busy here yesterday, but even has a bell tower. So yeah, this is Baihanluo Church. Sadly, it's a tragic end to the story of Father Dubernard, because when he set up the churches and converted Tibetans, this really angered the local Tibetan Buddhist monasteries, and the lamas sent out some mobs to incite sort of hatred against the priests, and he was murdered by a mob in 1905, and he's now a martyr or a saint of the church. But his church lives on, and it's now been restored in a very beautiful condition compared to what it was when I saw it 20 years ago.